Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you through how to add a payment method in your Discord. To add this feature in your Discord, first of all, open any browser you have in your device. Once you open any browser, on the searching bar, search for discord.com and make sure that you have logged into your Discord. Now, once you open it, on the left corner you will see an option of user settings. Hit on that. Now on the left you will see billing. Go through it and hit on the add payment method. From here you can choose either card or PayPal. Choose any one of them. Now add all of the information and then hit on the next. So in this very easy step, you can easily add a payment method in your Discord. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.